Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing okay. This is Hadi from Hadi's Marketing. Today we're going to do a short video. This is one of my design video that I normally do for you guys. Today we're going to remove a green screen background from iMovie. So if you're interested, just stick with me until the end of the video. So let's just start. So firstly, make sure that you've already uploaded your video. This is the video that I'm working with now. So just grab your video, drag it to your timeline. You will see that by default it will go at the bottom right. So this is perfect. The next step now that we need to do, we need to select the background that we need. So just go at the top of your menu here, select the option backgrounds. You will see that a list of background colors will be presented to you. Select the background that you want. In this instance, I want black, right? Just grab it and put it at the beginning of your video timeline. And make sure that you just drag it a bit, right? So what are we doing here? We are going to align the two to have the same size, right? Once you've done that, just grab your main video, put it at the top right. You can see that the sizes are not aligned. You need to grab your background color and just make sure that they are the same size. Perfect. The next step, we need to remove this green color. We can see that the black is not yet applied to our video. So how do we go about doing that? So I just want to show you. If you select your background, you'll see at the top here, these are the only options that we have, right? But we are looking for a cutaway option. Select your main video, then you'll see the cutaway option will be presented. Select it and select the green or blue screen option. Then your selected background, in my case it's black, will be applied to the video. This is how you change your green screen to the color that you want for you to use it. So just export it and save it. Then that's when you can use this video. Thanks for watching my video. Really appreciate it. And if you feel like this has added value to you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment until we meet again in our next design video. But for now, cheers.